Hi there, welcome back to Mr. Money Phone. My name is Ryan and today I'll be showing you how to add a photo to one of your contacts with the iPhone 13 Pro. Be sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss out on any helpful iPhone 13 tutorials. And if you have the new iPhone 13, have you sold your old phone yet? Make sure you go to mrmoneyphone.com to get the best price on your phone. Now let's get started. First, you're going to want to open up your Contacts app and then find the contact that you want to add a photo to. Hit edit, go to add photo, and then clicking this will open up your camera roll. Then you pick the photo that you want to choose. You can zoom in and the photo is going to be within this circle. Click choose. Then you can add any filters you'd like to use. Hit done. And then that's it. That's how you add a photo to one of your contacts with the iPhone 13 Pro.